Heartbroken, ran out of tears, I couldn't cry. Yeah, diamonds in my ears, I love to shine. Yeah, blood thicker than water, that bitch fine wine. Yeah, why the fuck you can't hit her, waste my time?
Bro, like, is it because my camera on? Yo. What you doing, bro? Are you crip?
Throwing up.
Just throwing up, bro. Just throwing up, bro.
No, I said he's
It's weird. Niggas sound here, bro. Yo. Get out there. Get out of there. Get out of here. What you doing? Bro, please do not do nothing weird. Please do not do nothing weird. I feel like you gonna do something weird, bro. Yo. Bro, my. Bro, like. Yo. Hello? Hello? Oh.
What?
What's good?
What's good? Somebody
Stop.
please die.
Y'all over there party? Y'all over there party? Y'all twins? So like, what y'all be doing?
You wanna see my twins?
Yeah. Oh, just wanna raise them up. Oh. Still ganger. My nigga, you in there cooking?
No, man,
Joe, you fix some food, bruh? Okay. Bro, why do niggas keep skipping me, bruh? Yo. Okay. Hey, bro, is your chain fake? Is your chain fake? Is your chain fake? Okay. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Can I get some money?
Yo.
Can I get some money?
What?
Let me get some money.
What?
Let me get some money, bro. That nigga just had. You all seen that, right? Or am I tripping? Yo. This nigga just had a whole stack in his hand, bro. And he got these fake chains on. So they can see me. Yo. Bro, I can skip one more time, bro. Like. Bro, don't do nothing weird. Okay. Yeah. Bro, demon. Bro, it's getting lit. I ain't gonna care. I might have to blur it out. Yo. How you gonna? Yo.
Wait, can you hear the music?
Yeah, I can hear it, gang.
Other people can hear the music. See what's playing? What's playing?
My name's James.
What?
It's good, gang.
Huh?
Yo. Bro, what the? Oh my god, bro. It's good, gang.
Shut your fat head ass up.
Shut your big head. Hey, bro, you got that za?
I don't even smoke, man.
Oh, that's Breeze, bro.
Little mal motherfucker.
Yeah. What you over there playing, bro?
Fortnite, you fuck around with it?
Yeah, play a little Fortnite every once in a while. Really be on that Call of Duty.
Yeah, that's really hard.
So like, so I got a question though. If a big buff nigga walk in your room, bro, and he asked you and he tried to rape you, what you doing?
Bro, I got switches, bro.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna do like one more, bro. That's it, bro. Yup. Man, shut up, nigga.
Low, niggas are big and no, you cannot touch me. I bought a 7, now I'm feeling lucky. You play with me, get A like some lunch meat. Look shawty better, she wanna come hunt me the foreign. Free television is roaring, and now I'm touring. Younger lifestyle is not boring.